3 GPS aerial drones, foldable design 1 pack. 1 key takeoff makes flying easier. GPS optical flying dual positioning system. Power system has upgraded and hovering is more stable. Watch HD transmission in real time. Free switching of dual cameras. Record yourself from different angles. Gesture recognition system. Make it easier to take selfies. It can also follow in my footsteps. Record your forward shadow. 360-degree surround creative shooting. Shoot movies with ease. Point flight and flight route free planning. Intelligent return. 1 key return. Refuse to lose contact. F3 GPS aerial drones. Explore new horizons.
自然总是充满未知的惊喜，而科技能让我近距离感受它的魅力。1080P 高清广角摄像头，拥有它，我从未错过任何精彩瞬间。智能360度环绕拍摄，实时地图指点， GPS 精准定位，无需遥控，自在飞行，让翱翔更具真实感。我爱旅行，更爱分享。F11 Fully Run 让我随时随地分享快乐，突破想象，创造非凡影像。
Do you know what gives you the power of carefree flight in the sky? High definition and wide angle of view, stable and safe performance, a freely flight, and yes, this is SEMA W1. W1 has broken through innovation. Aircraft is equipped with 2 cameras. Pixel of front camera is up to 1080p and comes with a wide lens. Plus, the 720p camera at the bottom, together with the optical flow positioning function. All this enables a better flying stability, as well as a clearer and wider angle of first-person view. W1 is something you will desire for. Manual switch of 2.4 by 5 GHz. Dual band with brushless motor gives you a stable flight even with bad weather. The most exciting thing is the powerful features of W1. There are 3 intelligent Follow Me modes. 1. Palm control with the gestures recognizing through the camera. 2. Select the people or object from the app. 3. You can also choose to let the aircraft follow the Wi-Fi signal of the mobile phone. A new visual recognition system for automatic photo and video shooting by specifying gestures. The perfect combination of W1 and VR allows the operator to experience immersive flying pleasure. More than 30 minutes of flight time. You can use the waypoint or flight plan function to replace the manual remote control. Flight safety is enhanced with the accurate GPS positioning and low battery auto-return protection system. No matter the innovation on the features or interactive experience, multiple experiences of W1 allows you to fly freely in the sky.
The chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up, it's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything.
You said I could fix the broken in your heart. Your words safe and darling, but I don't know why you're shooting in the dark. I got faith in nothing but love. Pray for me. I know I need somebody so I can learn how to love. So I can learn how to love, how to love, how to love. So I can learn how to love, how to love, how to love, 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 pray for me. How to love, how to love, how to love.
Designed with ingenuity and focused on details. This is E520S foldable UAV. Everyone can be the director of life to record a blockbuster film of his own. Portable and foldable, it has excellent performance. Everyone can be the director of life. What matters is not the end of the journey, but the scenery along the way. E520S UAV makes your journey marvelous. Different heights, different kinds of beauty. The right choice gives you the most beautiful scenery and makes you experience extraordinary stories. Retain a beautiful moment, record a wonderful life. E520S Foldable UAV.
The X-35 GPS aerial drone records a wonderful time of retrieve, altitude held stably by GPS, intelligent follow system, record the moving figure, 4K camera, controllable shooting angle, shooting around 360 degrees to easily record all wonderful things, gesture recognition system, your selfie body. Equipped with fuselage protection frame, safety flight, waypoint flight, you can plan the flight route, GPS positioning return. No worries about missing aircraft. And re-recording and sharing function make your own movie. The X35 GPS aerial drone record every wonderful moment.